Today, we're taking a closer look at Vandayar Engineering College, located right in the Thanjavur district. So if you're exploring engineering options in and around this area, this one's for you. All right, first things first. The TNEA counseling code for Vandayar Engineering College is 3848. Make sure you have this number handy. You're definitely going to need it during the admission process. So, a little bit about the college. It's been around since 2009 and is affiliated with ANA University. That means it's been a stable and established choice in the Thanjavur region for over 15 years now, offering a solid lineup of 7 different engineering programs. Okay, let's start by digging into the college's identity and what it was founded on.
So, what kind of college are we looking at? Vandayar Engineering College is a private, self-financing institution. It's co-educational, so it's open to both boys and girls. The whole institution is managed by the Vandayar Educational and Charitable Trust. And for admissions, it's pretty standard. It follows the TNEA process, with a 65% government quota and a 35% management quota split. You know, you can learn a lot about a place from its mission. The college's quality policy really highlights its core focus. It's all about molding rural youths to become confident, competent, and ethical engineers. This tells us that serving students from rural backgrounds has been a key goal right from the beginning. Next up, let's talk about the official approvals and the actual engineering programs you can study here. This is a big one, a really important checkmark for any student and parent. The college has AICTE approval for the academic year 2025-26. This is your confirmation that it meets the national standards for technical education.
So what can you study here? The college offers 7 B.E. or B.Tech programs. You've got the core branches like mechanical, civil, E.E., and ECE. But importantly, they're also keeping up with the times by offering newer specializations in artificial intelligence and data science, and also information technology.
Now, across all 7 of those branches, the total number of seats available through TNEA counseling comes to 330. This gives you a good idea of the size of the student batch they take in each year.
All right, this is the question on everyone's mind, isn't it? What happens after you graduate? Let's take a look at the college's placement situation. For the TNEA 2025 process, the college has submitted a placement figure of 100%. Now, it's really important for you to know that this is self-reported data, meaning it's the number provided by the college itself to the admission authorities. Okay, moving on to the more practical side of things, let's talk about student life, campus facilities, and how you'd get there.
For students who are coming from farther away, you'll be glad to know the college has got you covered. They provide separate, permanent, on-campus hostels for both boys and girls.
And if you're a day scholar, the college runs its own transport network that covers a pretty wide area. We're talking places like Thanjavur, Kumbakonam, Manargudi, and several others. This really helps make the daily commute much easier for students across the region.
Last but not least, let's cover financial aid. Understanding the available scholarships can be a huge part of your decision-making, so let's see what's on offer.
The college helps students apply for several government scholarship schemes. This includes things like the full tuition fee waiver for SC/ST students, financial support for BC, MBC, and DNC communities, the very popular First Graduate Scholarship, and even central government schemes for OBC and minority students. So there are quite a few paths for financial support if you're eligible.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared in this explainer comes directly from the college's official website and trusted government portals, and it was all current at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.